Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can detect earthquakes using Arduino. To build this project you need Arduino Uno, red and green LED, buzzer, LED module with I2C, vibration sensor, mini breadboard, DC motor and battery holder. To begin with, I will upload this Arduino program to Uno. Later, follow the circuit diagram to build the connections. For Arduino program, you can check the description box below. After the circuit connections are complete, test the circuit by connecting Arduino board to any USB power supply. If everything is fine, on powering this up, green LED should glow, and if it detects any vibration, the red LED glows along with a beep sound. You can adjust the sensitivity of this vibration sensor with onboard potentiometer. After the test is successful, I'll put this up on a model house. Follow these steps to set up all the electronics on a piece of cardboard. Now our project is ready for using. To create vibrations, I will use this simple DC motor setup with a flywheel. When you turn it on, because of this flywheel, some minor vibrations are created. That was all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.